Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aradhna Singh. I am consultant gynecologist, Fortis Hospital, Noida. Definitely if you're expecting and you've missed your periods, your pregnancy test is positive, you should be careful about the possible toxins as there are certain toxins which have been proved to cause birth defects and developmental problems in the developing fetus. So one should, as a precaution, should be away from the smokers, should be away from insecticides and cat litters and all. As such, there's a whole long list by the American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology. In this comes the lithium, lead, mercury, certain antibiotics like streptomycin, kanamycin, then blood pressure medicine like ACE inhibitors, then certain anti-epileptic drugs. So all these things should be avoided. Alcohol is one thing which is known to cause birth defects. The known risk of such toxins is of course the teratogenicity, that is they cause birth defects in the developing fetus, and in this comes the alcohol first, and sometimes the defects are very subtle, like certain brain behavioral changes and learning disabilities, but sometimes they can be obvious birth defects, like in lead and lithium toxicity. They're known to cause the brain defects. So for diet precaution, again there's a long list and do's and don'ts lists are there. One should mercury containing fish, one should avoid fish. Not more than 2 servings of fish should be taken during a 1 week period, and similarly one can avoid the raw vegetables, fruits, and one should these can be contaminated by the cat litters and all. So there's a long list that should be avoided.